This is GAM450 PA3 demo. We'll get right into it. This is the multiple collisions demo. First, I'm going to run the one block falling onto one plank demo, and we'll look at the output and we will go from there. So if we run this, we can see one block falls down. If we come and check out our output windows over here, we can see here contact info for the current frame. I'm only printing out data for frames where contact information actually happens. Otherwise it just goes forever. As you can see, there's no every frame printout. But if we look up here, contact info for current frame, here's the beginning of our list. We see that falling block for the demo. That's our falling block game object collided with one other thing. Falling block for demo hit static block at, and here are the 2 points where these items hit. In the same frame, here's another contact list. Here is static block 1, obviously the static block, collided with one other thing. The falling block hit static block 1 here. And then as you can see here, here's the next frame for when the block bounces. We would expect those to be the same collisions. The falling block demo collided with one other thing, static block 1. And here, static block 1 collided with one other thing, falling block hit static block. Okay, so let's kill that debug, and let's actually run the next demo, which is the 2 blocks that are slightly separated. Let's quick build here and a run. Boom, we see the block hit. Here's our demo space, and let's check the output over here. Here we go, contact info for current frame. Right here we see a difference. Here we see falling block for demo collided with 2 other things. Here we go, falling block for demo hit static block 1 at these points, and here falling block demo hit static block 2 at these points. You can see that these Y values are all about the same, and then the X values are just shifted over. These represent the 2 corners of the box on one side, or on one block, and this is the 2 points on the other block. Here's the next one, static block 2 obviously only collided with one thing, the falling block. Here's this, and then static block 1 only collided with one thing, the falling block. Here's the next frame. Again, we see the bounce, and again we see falling block colliding with 2 things, static block 1, static block 2, and again static block 1, falling block, and so on and so forth. So last demo, the overlap, the output data should look very similar to what we just looked at. But here we go, here's the overlap version. If we build this and run it, there we go. We can see our blocks overlap there. We can see what's going on, and we can check over here and we can see what happened. Let's check again. Here we are again, falling block demo collided with 2 things, which is what we expect. The static block 1 and static block 2. And again, you can see sort of our overlapping points here are a little bit different than where they collided before. Here we go again, static block 2 collided with one thing. Again, falling block hit static block 2, static block 1 also hit falling block. And then again, next frame, the bounce, falling block hit 2 things, and so forth. That's how it goes. I think the output looks pretty good, and I think that's it. Thank you.